In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a lead tracker in Notion. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable system to keep your prospects organized, stay on top of follow-ups, and keep your sales process moving smoothly. We'll start by creating a new table database inside your Notion workspace. Open a fresh page and choose a table-style database so each lead is its own row and every detail has a clear home. A table view gives you an at-a-glance snapshot of who you're talking to, what stage they're in, and when you need to reach out next. Next, set up the core columns you'll use every day. Add a lead name column to identify the person or account you're working with. Include a company column so you can quickly group related contacts. Create a contact info column where you can store an email, phone number, or a link to a profile, whatever you use most. Add a status column. Make it a select property with options like new, contacted, qualified, and closed. Finally, add a follow-up date column as a date property. These 5 columns create the backbone of your tracker, and keeping them consistent makes it easy to scan and prioritize. Now start adding entries for each potential client or lead. Each row represents a single opportunity. As you add leads, be as consistent as possible with names and company formatting so you can find and filter them easily later. Don't worry about perfection at first. Getting your current pipeline into the table is the most important step. Use your status tags thoughtfully. New means you've identified the lead but haven't reached out. Contacted indicates you've sent a message or had an initial call. Qualified means the lead meets your criteria and is worth pursuing. Closed is for deals that are finished, whether won or lost. Clear definitions help you stay honest about where each opportunity stands. Open each lead entry and add notes or meeting details inside. Capture what you discussed, any objections, key goals, and the next action you've agreed on. Include dates for meetings and a short summary so you can pick up the thread instantly the next time you check in. The more specific your notes, the less time you'll spend guessing later. Finally, review and update the tracker regularly to manage your sales process efficiently. Make it a habit to check upcoming follow-up dates. Refresh statuses after every interaction, and keep contact details current. A quick daily or weekly pass keeps leads from slipping through the cracks and turns your tracker into a dependable command center for your pipeline.